tayo ngayon pa tayo mag-vlog. Nakakapunta na tayo ng barangay.
May ano, kaya pa rin camera.
So, kasama ko si Mama here.
Hello guys, good morning.
We are going to the City Hall kasi ngayon ko palang asukasuin yung PWD card or ID ni Aiden.
Samahan nyo kami guys.
Samahan nyo kami.
Wow, 5 years pa.
Wow, yabang naman yan. Hindi pa siya senior.
Mukhang senior.
Hello guys! In the car again kasi nag-thumbprint na si Aiden at saka nag-sign dun sa kanyang ID. Hi kids daw, look at my umbrella. Ayan, so si Auntie pinapalaminate na ngayon yung kanyang card. So ito yung kanyang booklet. Ayan. May isa pang booklet para doon sa gamot. And then yung ID nakangiti si Auntie Sassy nyo. So, ayan siya, guys! Ayan na siya. Ayan yung kanyang ID. So cute. Tapos, hinanap ko yung kanyang non-apparent disability badge. Ayan. So, we've got this from Dubai Airport. Sa Dubai Airport, guys, kapag nabanggit mo sa kanila or nasabi mo sa kanila, yung may code eh. Nakalimutan ko na yung code na ginagamit. But, apparently, that code, you can pwede mo sabihin sa airport staff na itong code na to, alam na nila automatically na that means you have a passenger na may non-apparent disability. So, hindi halata na may disability sila. And they would give you lanyard. So, dalawang binigay sa amin. Isa kami ni Phil kasi kami parents. And then, we didn't have to get on the queue. Hindi na namin kailangan pumila. Tapos, kung may request kami na mauna kaming sumakay ng plane, pwede rin. Kung gusto namin na late kami sumakay ng plane, pwede rin. Depende sa pangailangan ng bata. So, ayan. Ngayon, magagamit na namin. May ganito, tinabi pa ni Philip yung ganito niya. So, sabi ko, i-explain ko sa kanya. Sabi niya, sana may ganyan din sa Pilipinas. No? Sana nga parang kasi, parang sa ngayon, iba-iba pa yung logo na ginagamit para sa mga may autism. May nagsasabi na ang logo ng autism is yung parang infinite na spectrum of colors. Meron din na puzzle piece. Pero may mga tao na ayaw nung puzzle piece kasi parang you're saying that there's a missing piece parang sa kanila. May missing sa kanila. Parang ganun. So wala pa siyang totally, wala tayong indicator as a whole. Parang sa ating lahat, parang hindi natin masasabi kung sino yung tao may autism. You know what I mean? Pero sa ibang bansa, I think sa US din, may nagbabadge na sila ng ganyan. They use that badge. They use itong basta ayan, sunflower. Tapos nakalagay, it's non-apparent disability. Nakakatuwa nga kasi sa Dubai airports, meron na sa screens nila that if you see this, someone wearing this, ito yung ibig sabihin. So, they're also, parang, tinuturuan na rin nila yung mga tao na around the airport na yun yung ibig sabihin. So, sana maging parang, national sign, kumbaga.
Lalo dito sa Pinas.
That way, nasasabi ko nga, parang as a parent, kung luckily naman, swerte tayo kasi kahit paano si Aiden, hindi siya yung nagwawala ng husto. Kasi may mga ganun talagang sobrang yung hirap i-express yung sarili nila, kaya idadaan sa iyakan siya or minsan nagme-meltdown din. Si Aiden naman, luckily, hindi naman siya totally nagme-meltdown. Wala pa naman siya parang episode na yung hindi namin siya kayang kausapin. Parang sa kanya, pag kinausap mo siya, maintindihan kanya, ay saan tayo pupunta? Wala na, no? Burger niya. Tatry daw namin gamitin yung ID ni Aiden. Kasi gusto niya where do you wanna go? Burger. Gusto daw niya ng burger. So, kasi gagamitin natin ngayon. Okay. So, we going to Burger King. This is gonna be the first. Alam mo, burger, magkano lang? 79, diba? Magkano yung discount natin? 2 pesos? 20 pesos. Ay, wala. 20. 15. So, anyway, sinasabi ko nga kanina, na parang parang for me, nung nalaman ko na may autism sa AA, parang iniisip ko, sana merong shirt na nagsasabi, or hindi naman totally may explanation, no? Yung alam mo yun, meron lang siyang something maliit na logo that says that, and then people know already kung ano yung ibig sabihin nun. Or kung hindi man shirt, yung badge nga. That was before Dubai pa, na nakita ko yung ganyan. So, parang ano naman nun, parang ang kampante, kasi minsan pag yung anak mo nagwala na, or alam mo yun, nagtatakip na ng tenga kasi naiingayan, na-overwhelm. Ang hirap minsan i-explain kung bakit. Sa bawat tao na titingin sa inyo, sa bawat tao na parang, di ba, na tinitigan kayo habang may habang nagme-meltdown yung anak mo, you know what I mean? So, parang it's just nice to have that. Then, alam na lang makakita, ay, okay. They're fine, ano lang, kumbaga parang nagme-meltdown yung bata because of this, parang gano'n. Para wala ka nang i-explain. Understood na kumbaga agad-agad. Natuwa nga ako kasi may nakita akong video sa Facebook na sa ibang bansa. Nag-video sila, tas ano siya, may autism siya, pero binata na siya. Tas pag nagpupunta siya sa labas, sa public place, naka-ID na ganyan. Good morning guys. Today is Saturday, and we're going to Lily's football practice. Maaga kami ngayon. I think it's 7:40. And yung practice niya is 8 o'clock. I actually need coffee, but I don't want her to be late for her practice. Kahapon, nagpa-haircut ako, and kaya naka-blow dry yung buhok natin kasi kagabi may schedule ako for haircut. So, tinrim yung buhok ko ng, 2 inches. Tapos, nilayer. And, kinapalan yung para sa, ano tawag dito? Ito yung curtain bangs. Kinapalan. So, medyo magulo siya dito sa ibabaw. Kasi, ano lang siya, blower siya, hindi siya plancha. So, nagvo-volume talaga tayo dito. So, I just wear my hat. So, yung ginamit na treatment sa akin is a treatment na hindi makaka-remove ng kulot. So, yun yung sinabi ko sa senior stylist talaga. Sabi ko, okay lang po magpa-treatment, pero sana yung hindi makaka-straight ng hair kasi inaalagaan ko na nga yung curl. So, sabi naman niya, maganda daw yung ginamit sa akin. Parang L'Oreal siya na deep moisturizing M&M for damaged hair. So, pag naliguan na to, doon natin malalaman kung gaano siya kaganda. Ayun. Kasi sabi sa akin, wag daw muna siya i-wash for 24 hours. And then, ayun. So, yung 24 hours niya, mga 8 o'clock. Kasi natapos kami 8:30, ganyan. Anyway, Grandma said that AA has been doing so well. You watching yourself play? So, training is done. Ang init. My God. Grabe. I need to get picnic chair. That way, meron akong upuan kapag nagka-training si Lily. Kasi like today, yung kanilang goal or yung pwesto nila malayo doon banda, and then doon banda walang upuan. So yung ibang parents may mga kanya-kanya silang picnic chairs, tapos you know, they can sit nearby instead na doon lang kami sa may admin table banda. So you know what, I need a chair. So anyway, I'm gonna get coffee again. Is that okay? Got water as well, pero di ko nadala yung water ko. kasi na may bit-bitin. Pinadala sa akin nilito yung camera niya so I can film with that. She's good. She's really good. Needs a little practice with shooting goals. But it's not bad at all for someone who just done it twice, diba Lils? It's like, or once pa lang, parang ito pa lang yung tapos pa lang yung pangalawa niya. So, may bago akong favorite dito sa Coffee Bean. You guys must try it. Yung kanilang anniversary drink na signature shaken espresso. It's so good. So good. I mean, compared dun sa ibang drinks na ininom ko, I usually order mocha, ice blended. As in, so close dun sa flavor na ininom ko, hazelnut. Yun naman guys, you know what, I really need a new wallet. Just ko naawa na ako sa wallet ko. Tignan nyo, I got this from Dubai. Sa Victoria's Secret. Matagal na siya. Tignan nyo yung tsura. It's actually a card holder. Tapos ginagamit ko na lang din siya as wallet. I need a new one. Meron akong dati, wallet na gustong-gusto. Tapos naiwan ko siya sa Dubai. So I just gave it away sa friend. Problem is, ngayon, wala naman akong wallet na magagamit. Ayan. On my way to IKEA para sa bed or sa mattress. Mattress pa lang bibili natin. But, mag-unti-unti tayo kasi ng gamit sa bahay. Wala pa akong mattress sa higaan or sa kwarto. And I need one. So, let's go! So, naka-order na tayo ng mattress. I also got some curtains ulit. And curtain rods. Ayan, we're done. On my way home. Naloka ako. Kala ko talaga, kakayanin ko to na mag-isa. Buti na lang andoon may dalawang kuya na tumulong. Bago ko pa tangkain. Pero sila mismo dalawa, hirap na hirap. Magsakay sa sasakyan. So, yan yung aking toxic trait. Kala ko kaya ko lahat. Anyway, uwi na tayo. Nalobat na yung phone ko as in dead na. Dead bat na tayo. Pero na-review ko pa kanina yung ruta. So, this is the first time na mag-drive ako pa uwi. Galing MOA na walang Waze or maps. So, subukan natin kung kaya. Let's go! Wow! Bata. Well, ate.
Ate!
Can I pay?
Ate, can I pay? Yes, po.
Oh, where's your money? Okay, give it to ate. Good afternoon. Hello, guys. So, we just dropped off Mama sa nail spa para magpalinis. And then, Aiden got a haircut. Every time he gets a haircut, dumidiretso kami sa toy store. That way, maulit pa yung pagpapahaircut niya ulit. You didn't go to Lily School? Ayan. We have to go to Lily School tomorrow kasi nandun na daw yung name patch between for her uniform. So, we're gonna get that. Ngayon, we are just getting home kasi Lily has football this afternoon. So, we're gonna pick her up and drop her off sa kanya football practice. So, meron silang tournament daw by the end of this month. So, kailangan nilang makapag-practice ng konti. Medyo masapay po ko kaya hindi ko pa siya mas-crunch. Yun yung itsura niya. But, I don't know if you can tell, I've gotten a haircut parang recently. Around parang mga 3 days ago. So, may mga parts na ganito natanggal. This one, hindi siya kasama sa cut. But, ayan. Haircut helps a lot sa definition ng hair kasi natanggal yung mga dry and damage. And nabubuhay yung hindi masyadong damaged na hair. So, yeah. siya kay gitna.
Good job. Great work, Mommy.
How about Aiden's hair? Is it good or not?
Good job.
Are you handsome or not? Handsome? Let me see. Let me see a handsome smile. Bait-bait naman ang itsura mo sa iyong... Good morning, guys. Today is... I don't know. Anong date naman today?
Thursday.
Thursday. Today is Thursday and we are...
No, it's roast beef.
Roast beef.
Dad is getting ready for roast beef.
Dad is getting ready for roast beef.
Dad is getting ready for roast beef.
Oh, okay.
So much fun.
Okay. So we are heading to Alabang Town Center. I haven't been there pa. I think. Nakapunta na ba tayo? Hindi pa, di ba? Because bibili ako ng book for Aiden. Nangako yung kanyang ama sa kanya na bibilan siya ng book. And sabi ko, today we can do that. Kasi I also need to go to La Senza to buy a couple of things. And then, Ate Sefi needs to buy school supplies also. Dapat, isasabay ko si Sefi ng bili ng gamit kila Lady. Kaya lang paalis na kasi siya. So, sabi ni Mama, kami na bibili. Bigay mo na lang ako ng ang bili. So, inabot ko kay Mother. And then, parang maging sa kwento niya, ay sa tansya niya ng petsa. Kasi ba uwi na sila today? Parang alanganin. Alanganin for them to go pa para bumili. So at least, kung isasabay ngayon, less na yun sa gagawin ni Mama. At yung good boy ko doon sa likod, na sobrang good boy yan. Who's the good boy? Wow! Nagtaas ng kamay! Again, who's the good boy? Wow!
Si me.
Yung good boy ko doon, parang deserve naman niya. Lagi na lang deserve. Ang books, ang toys, lagi na lang may something. Kasi deserve, kasi behave. Kasi good boy siya. Kasi nagte-therapy daw siya. Kanina nga nagising. Sabi, Mami, let's go to therapy. Uy, let's go to therapy. You don't need therapy right now. How about we go get a haircut? Uy, kaka-haircut mo lang kahapon. We go to Toy R Us. Yung pala yung gusto niya. Gusto niya magpabili. So, parang sa kanya, gawin muna namin yung gusto kong gawin with him. That way, may reward siya. We're here. Your water bottle. Bring your water. Good boy. Come. Good boy. Ayan, dito kami guys sa Fully Booked sa ATC. Kala ko first time ko dito, hindi pala. Nakapunta na kami dito sa may Popeyes before. Ang Fully Bookings! Are you happy? We're going to Fully Booked. Oh, sus, talaga naman. Excited. Did you say shush? Dogman. Lily, Dogman Zero. Lily, here.
Dogman.
Dami.
Dogman coming. Where's the airplane?
We'll have to find it. Come on. Come on, let's find Eric Carl book. Put it back. Put that one back. Wow.
Number 3.
Careful, don't touch it like that. It's a pop-up book. Wow. Happy siya. I thought you said you want Eric Carl book. That's not Eric Carl.
Number 3.
Yeah. Cool. Ito yung book na Lily na kinokollect. Pang number 3 na siya.
To my grandma, Lily Grimmett. Happy 19th.
Then, I found something. Come here. Look. What's that? What's that? Ito na yung mga Eric Carle books. Ang dami. My gosh, it's so much. Which one do you want? You point and then mommy will get it. Which one? Peekaboo Animals. Brown Bear, Slowly. Pancake. Brown Bear. Baby bears grow with the brown bear.
He doesn't know what kaleidoscope is.
Little Book of Thanks. Greedy Python. What's your favorite color? You have that. The Grouchy Ladybug. Oh, you have that already, right? You have that already, Baba.
Look at
Why
this
does the wind blow? Why does the wind? What's that?
Mommy, look at this one.
What's that one?
A lady bird flew from the right.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Flew from the right to the left. Oh.
Creepy Halloween. Good night to the lady baby with the caterpillar. Peekaboo Valentine. I get sick. Papa, please get the moon for me.
Heavy.
It's very heavy, huh? Rooster off to see the world. Andito pala lahat ng hinahanap namin. Pero, nabili na kasi namin. Dami, kumpleto sila dito. Love, oh, they also have the mini library. Love. Baba, look. Diba? It's complete. May ganito na rin sa AA, kaya lang may dalawa siyang book na nawawala.
I found it.
Yeah.
I found a
I fold closely. Carefully. Let mommy do it. Which one? Oh, it's time to pay. What are you gonna pay? This one or this one? How about this one? You have to put it back? Or you want to buy it too?
It's your boba. I think it's your boba.
Kumawala na po ang mga bagets. Ano na si AA? Habi kasi kakaiba siya eh.
It's down.
Wait lang, anak. It's a phone, anak. It's a flip phone.
What does this look like?
You can... Okay, wait lang. Kakaibang bata to. Gusto niya yung ano, mga... Ayan, anak.
Tapos in-necklace na lang niya.
Oh, ganyan. O, tinawin ko. You wanna turn it on? You can turn it on.
I can?
Yeah. Cute ang baso. Gusto mo ba ng ganyang kulay? Sige, pili ka. Yan, gusto mo? Check mo yung loob. Ano ba laman niya? Ay, check mo yung loob eh.
Depende po sa grade mo niya.
Oo, grade 5 siya.
Grade 5 po.
Yay! Kailangan mo daw ng 15 ba? 10? 15.
Yung iba hindi nalagay ni mami kasi hindi alam yung
Oo. Ito, ang cute ng colors. Ito ba yung ganda oh? Gusto mo ba yung my flowers? Cute! Ito. Cute. How about you? You wanna buy na? Or you have notebooks na? You wanna buy na or you want to wait?
Wait, for what?
A different day when you're feeling better. Hmm?
What am I gonna buy?
You've got a list, a long list. It will help ate na lang muna, Ate Sepi. No? And then tomorrow we'll buy yours.
Okay.
Okay. Because we have to go to SM, to the other SM and buy flute. I don't know where to buy flute. Ayan, ano pa? Ball pen. Correction tape and ball pen, ate. Go. Go, girls. This way. Ball pens. Ay, yan pala. Doon daw yung correction tape. There's yellow. Ay, okay na yung color? Na gusto mo? Or, ano yan? Orange, brown. Ito may yellow. May pink ba? Pink, may purple. And then, kailangan ba lang lengthwise? Ganyan. 1/2. Ay, nakaset na siya. Oh, yung set na lang, be. Para madami. Yan. Ano pa kailangan mo, ate? Ballpen na. Baby. Love. Baby. Ganun. Ayan. Ito yung mga pinipindot sa baba. Para kahit walang takip. Kasi di ba yung takip nawawala? Try mo yan dito, be. Tayo ka. Ay, pink pala to, be. Gusto mo yan? Puwa ka pa. Ayan. Hindi mo kailangan ng red, Ate Seppi. Kuhanan kita nito, ha? Ito, be, oh. Ay, mali. May blue and black and red. Ayan, oh. Eraser. Tapos, ano pa ba? Pangkulay. Color, andun yung color. Okay na to, sure ka, te, ha? Kuha na tayong dalawa para pag nagkulang yung color mo or kung kailangan ni Bina, ha? Ano pa? Lalagyan? Gusto mo lalagyan? Pwede. Kuha ka. Ano pa po? Art material. Mga bond paper. Ay, may bond paper na dun sa isa eh. Isa bag. Ano pa need mo? I got it.
What does she need now?
Let's see. She needs ball pen, pencil, plastic envelope with handle. Meron na correction tape, graphing notebook, spiral. Yun lang nakalagay eh. Pwede natin gawin, bilhin natin to. Tapos, kaya lang kasi dito lang din yung bagsara. Tingin tayo. Ah?
What's in there?
You put it around your neck so you keep that keeps you cool. Okay, come on.
You're my better half, a part of me through and through. And I only wish for one thing, to grow old with you.